Hey everybody, hey beauty connoisseurs, welcome to the channel. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is Outre Every 17 and I just love it. I'll leave the information card for it right up above. I have an Outre unit today called Noelia. It's from their lace front collection. She's 18 inches and I have her in the color Cinnamon Spice. So this is Outre's lace front collection, and it's 18 inches, but I don't believe this is 18 inches. It's barely 16. I would even say it's 14. But anyway, it's in the pretty color of Cinnamon Spice, which is really pretty for this time of the year. And I like the layers in it, but it just seems like it has more layers on the stock card. Now she's kind of wearing hers flipped back a little bit like that, so I guess that is an option, and I'm not sure which way I prefer. I think I like it like this better. But anyway, I got it from So Good BB, and it was $42.49, and with the 25% off that they had back during Labor Day, I got it for $31.87. So it's reasonably priced. The only thing I can say is it's not 18 inches. I'm just sorry, it's not 18 inches. It's a good density. It's not real thick. It's natural, and it's a very light yaki. It's very lightweight. And I'm not mad at it's not dark rooted, because sometimes when you get the reddish color, sometimes I think they look better when they're not dark rooted. And I'm even thinking about maybe putting some bangs in it. I'm just trying to write So Good BB on this stock card so I won't forget where I got it from. Let's see, do I want to put some bangs? Because that might help it. No, because I can see the tracks. So I'm not going to put any bangs in it. Yeah, this is a nice, simple, everyday style. And I think I would like it in a number 2 as well. You can just put it on your head, put some powder in the part. And I did use, let me put my glasses on so y'all, I can tell y'all what this really says. This Wig Knots Healer, K-N-O-T-S. I'll leave it up here at the top. I put that on my lace underneath so that it could blend in better. You know, kind of gave it a little of a tint. So yeah, that's all I did. So we'll put on some